Hi, everybody, and welcome to our WWE break for tonight. If you are new to our breaks, welcome. Just go over a couple of our housekeeping items. Any rookies that we pull will be in sleeves. Same with any inserts that we pull today. Any hits that we have will be in sleeves and top loaders. Everything will be mailed out in team bags and in bubble mailers and will go out tomorrow. Tonight we have two hobby boxes of 2021 Topps Finest for WWE. In each one, we're going to have two autographs per master box. So we should have 4 autographs on average between the two packs. And hopefully we'll see maybe some different parallels on here. Also, the possibility of some of the Undertaker insert cards as well. I'm going to go through our participants. Before I do that, just to let everybody know, not all the wrestlers sold for tonight. So if any of our hits are somebody who is unsold, at the end of the break tonight, we will randomize that between all of our participants so they can know who they're getting. Any other cards that we pull that are not a wrestler that's sold, we will give out to everybody as well randomly. Our participants for tonight, we have Beatrice with Aaliyah. For Jake Roberts, Roman Reigns, Austin Theory, and Ricky Steamboat is Corey B. Alexa Bliss, Sasha Banks, Liv Morgan, and Becky Lynch for Rob P. The Undertaker for Ted B. The Miz, Paul Heyman, Million Dollar Man, Jerry the King Lawler, Omos, Lex Luger, Trish Stratus, and Dominic Mysterio for Sean C. Edge, Dakota Kai, Seth Rollins, Drew McIntyre, Rhea Ripley, Triple H, Randy Orton, Cesaro, Sonya Deville, and John Cena for Todd P. Damian Priest, Ricochet, Finn Balor, Jeff Hardy, Razor Ramon, Dolph Ziggler, Riddle, and AJ Styles for Casey G. Goldberg, Hulk Hogan, Mandy Rose, and Kevin Owens for Jason F. Tegan Knox, Bayley, Eva Marie, and Scarlett for Carl R. The Usos, Charlotte Flair, Bianca Belair, New Day, and Naomi for Kat C. Asuka, Carmella, Io Shirai, and Raquel Gonzalez for Brad O. And Rey Mysterio, Sheamus, Shotzi, and Bobby Lashley for Lucian B. And also at the end of our break, we're going to be giving away our 2 cards to one person that we'll randomize. We have our Rhea Ripley autographed number out of 99. And our Hulk Hogan and Andre the Giant WrestleMania 3 film strip relic. This is numbered out of 299. So that will go to one of our participants. And we will do that at the end of our break tonight. All right, we'll start with our first box. Good luck, everybody. And if you're new to Topps Finest, they do 2 mini boxes. You can see that's an empty box. And then in each mini box should be an autograph. So there is our packs, our empty box. And we start off our night with James Drake. There's our first autograph for Dolph Ziggler. That one is numbered out of 50. And that's going to Casey. And then we got Big E, Scarlett, and Dolph Ziggler. So a nice hit right away for Dolph Ziggler. Next pack, we have Roderick Strong, John Cena. We have a green parallel for Riddle. That one's numbered 5 out of 99. And that one's also going to Casey. Carmella. And Ricochet. There's Riddle. Next pack, we have Robert Roode, Titus O'Neil. We have an Uncrowned Greatness for Bam Bam Bigelow, Keith Lee, and AJ Styles. Next, we have Randy Orton, Naomi, Shelton Benjamin, Lacey Evans, and a rookie card for Reggie. Sorry about that, I had a tickle in my throat. In our next pack, we have Humberto Carrillo, Akira Tozawa, a Legacies for R-Truth, Apollo Crews, and Finn Balor. And this is the last pack of our first mini box. And we have Tegan Nox, Tony Storm, a Rumble Pops for Triple H, Shotzi, and Isaiah Swerve Scott. So pretty good box overall for our first mini box. And then we will start our second one. So there's our packs, our empty box. And we start off with Austin Theory. There's our second autograph for John Morrison. Not numbered, but still a nice autograph. And I don't think anybody had Morrison. I will double check, but if not, we will randomize that at the end. Then we got Mustafa Ali, Tommaso Ciampa, and Pete Dunne, also known as Butch. So there's John Morrison. Up next, we got Raquel Gonzalez, Zach Gibson. There's one of the Undertaker inserts for an end of the era. The Miz, and Riddle. Throw our Undertaker out there for Ted. Up next, we have a rookie for T-Bar, a rookie for Omos, An Uncrowned Greatness for Roddy Piper, Nia Jax, and Dana Brooke. Up next, we have Mandy Rose, Jinder Mahal, Elias, Alexa Bliss, and Cesaro. And here we have Bobby Lashley, Shayna Baszler. There's a Legacies for Montez Ford, Oney Lorcan, and Drake Maverick. And then the last pack of our mini box, and our first hobby box overall. And we have Rey Mysterio, Zelina Vega. We have a Soul Survivor for Kofi Kingston, Sasha Banks, and Otis. All right, now we'll go to our next one. And get our two mini boxes out. Show you that that's empty. And there's our packs, our empty box. And good luck with box number 2. And we have Jackson Riker. There is our third autograph. This one's actually very nice. Give me 1 second. Just checking to see if anybody has them. Actually, this one's going to Todd. This is a Cesaro autographed, and if you can see it on there, this is a numbered 3 out of 5. So congratulations on that one, Todd. Get that up there in a sleeve pretty quick for you. And then we have Danny Burch, Sheamus, and Bayley. Next pack, we have Charlotte Flair, Xavier Woods. There's an Undertaker end of the era that we had before, but this one is numbered out of 25. So, Ted, there's a nice card for you. And then we have Kevin Owens and Shinsuke Nakamura. Up next, we have Jey Uso, Roman Reigns, Uncommon Greatness for Jake the Snake Roberts, Cameron Grimes, and Johnny Gargano. Next pack we have Sonya Deville, Danny Burch, Karrion Kross, Scarlett, and Dolph Ziggler. Up next we have Karrion Kross, Santos Escobar. There's a Legacies, not a signature, for Cesaro, Carmella, and Ricochet. And then this is the last pack of our mini box. And we have Dominic Mysterio, Bianca Belair, a Rumbles Pops for Rey Mysterio, Keith Lee, and AJ Styles. And then our last mini box, and then we'll at least randomize this John Morrison auto, and then we have our giveaway to do. So there's our packs, our empty box. And we have Humberto Carrillo. Our next autograph is Carmella. So just double check to see where she landed. That's Brad O. So Brad, congrats. Then we have Roderick Strong, Jeff Hardy, and R-Truth. There's our Carmella auto. Up next, we have Akira Tozawa, Tegan Knox. There's another Undertaker, a phenomenal ending. Thanks, Lucian. And then we got Angelo Dawkins and Liv Morgan. So there's our Undertaker insert. Up next, we have Tony Storm, Austin Theory, an Uncrowned Greatness for Dusty Rhodes, Seth Rollins, and Dakota Kai. Next pack, we have Raquel Gonzalez, Zach Gibson, John Cena, Kyle O'Reilly, Baron Corbin. Starting off our next pack, we have a rookie card for T-Bar, rookie for Omos, and Legacies for AJ Styles, Chad Gable, and Big E. So our last pack of the night, so good luck, and then we'll randomize that John Morrison and do our giveaway. So we got Mandy Rose, Jinder Mahal, a Soul Survivor for Razor Ramon, Shelton Benjamin, Mustafa Ali. Just to go over some of our bigger hits, if you're just joining us, we had an orange parallel Undertaker. This one's numbered out of 25. Green parallel for Riddle. This one's numbered out of 99. Auto for Carmella, not numbered, but still a nice card. Dolph Ziggler numbered auto out of 50. That's the gold parallel. A Cesaro autographed Legacies. This one is numbered out of 5. Red parallel. Now let me just double check. I don't want to give away somebody's card. Make sure that John Morrison was not purchased. No, he was not, so let me randomize that between everybody. And then we'll do our giveaway. So for our John Morrison auto, I have 57 names in here, a lot of them multiples. And I'm just going to randomize it once. Whoever is number 1, that person will get the John Morrison card. And if we could see, number 1 is Cat C. So Cat, you will get that card as well as the other cards. And then we will do our giveaway. 2 cards here. We have the Rhea Ripley autographed out of 99. And the Hogan Andre WrestleMania 3 film strip relic, numbered out of 299, if you could see it on there. I'm going to randomize this 8 times. And whoever is number 1 on the 8th time will get both cards. So good luck, everybody. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and good luck. Todd P., those are coming to you. So congrats, Todd. You will get those cards shipped out to you as well. Thank everybody for joining us for tonight for our WWE break. If you were on Facebook, probably about 8:30, we posted our next wrestling break. It is going to be a combination AEW and WWE if you're interested. To show you, we're going to have 3 giveaways. Let me grab a couple of them. Starting off, for one person, we have 2 Robert Roode cards. This one is an autographed and a relic from 2017 that is numbered out of 10. And then this one is just a relic, not numbered, from 2021. And then for AEW, this will go to another person. We have relics for Colt Cabana and Billy Gunn. And then we have a third one where we're giving away a pack, a hobby pack from 2021 WWE as well. So again, thank you everybody for joining us, and have a good night.